Okay, guys, so see you on Monday and hope this analysis video was helpful and have a great trading week. Bye. So, आपको टाइटल से ही समझ में आ गया रहेगा कि मैं आज किस टॉपिक पे बात करना चाहता हूँ. ओके, this is not some scheme or anything that I'm trying to sell off or sell it out in the market that 10 से 15% बनाओ. I'm giving you an estimate that how much you guys can make. Okay, and why I'm saying this is because many students, okay, and I can relate to it. Many students are trying to get into the crypto market, they're trying to get into the stock market, they want to understand the fundamentals, they want to understand the technicals, they're learning so much, and they're getting into the finance world very seriously because now they've understood that financial freedom is something that can be achieved over a period of time. And this is where I want to put in some of my words, some of my strategies which are there in the market, which can be used, and which can you can take the opportunity of this very well. Okay. I know that college life and handling the market as well can be sometimes hard. Okay, you might not find the time, you might not you might be focusing on more on your assignments or your exams or something, and keeping all that in view, I've made this video. Okay, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा लर्निंग है और बहुत सिंपल से मैंने इधर एक्सप्लेन किया कि आप कैसे आपका जो कैपिटल है 10,000 या 15,000 भी हो, how you can build it and how you can get around 10 to 15% per month. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just begin with this video. So, I know as a teenager that you have some needs, you have some thoughts that you want to buy this, you want to buy that. Probably they might be sneakers, or they might be clothes you want, or some items that you actually want to buy for yourself. Yes, I agree that you can always ask your parents for it, but somewhere in the back of your mind, you're like, probably I can pay for it for myself if I'm going to use it. कभी कभी आपको ऐसे एक थॉट भी आता रहेगा कि एज अ टीनेजर ऑल माई एक्सपेंसेस शुड बी हैंडल्ड बाय मी, एंड आई सीन दैट इन मैनी टीनेजर्स, एंड दिस इज वाई stock market can play a very good role in fulfilling those needs. Okay, so the only disadvantage which is going to be over here is that you're going to need some capital. Now, capital, how can you get it? Either one of the easiest way, which is going to be ask your parents for it, that you need to invest some. They'll also be happy. They'll be like, he's getting into the financial world, getting some knowledge out of it, some skills out of it. And of course, I'm not telling you to risk a lot of capital. It's minimum capital, okay, needed in the financial world. Second way you can get is through internship or doing some part-time job. ठीक है, जो आप कॉलेज लाइफ में इंटर्नशिप करते हो, कभी कभी पेड इंटर्नशिप भी रहता है, काफ़ी अच्छे पेड इंटर्नशिप भी मिलते हैं आपको, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू गाइस कैन गैदर योर कैपिटल एज वेल. Okay, so why I'm telling you this is because you are in your prime years right now, and all of us, be it me, I'm just a 20-year-old kid as well. I'm also in my prime years. I'm also investing, I'm also trading. So even this is my prime year, and this is why I want to take out some time to tell you guys that you guys can always have that advantage, that edge over people. Okay, so first of all, what you do is obviously gather some capital. Second is, if you're risking this capital, you aren't going to keep it in your head that I have a lot of responsibilities, I have some loans or something in your head, because you are still in your teenage life and you can risk some capital as well. Okay, now comes the three types of investments that we look at, and these obviously you must have heard it everywhere, सब जगह पे आपने सुना रहेगा, which we will begin with. Okay, so the first one is investing. Okay, investing as in long-term investing. Okay, so LTI, which I would say that long-term investing is basically holding that stock for more than 1 year. Okay, more than 1 year of, you can say 5 years, 10 years, or anything. So basically you have some capital, let's say around 10k, 20k, 30k. Of course, people with higher capital will hold their stocks as they want low risk but high reward. Getting a good company, finding a good company, getting a multi-bagger as well. Okay, it's very essential to find those kind of stocks which can help you grow. Okay, so these stocks are obviously going to be on the radar that you can invest in and all. Okay, but keeping a tight capital of 10k to 15k, looking at that perspective, I'm saying that ठीक है, आपके पास अगर ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, then definitely you guys can look towards investing 2 to 3 stocks where you can invest your 10 to 15k and you can just put that money and then leave it. Okay, just leave it over there. ठीक है, नो डाउट अगर कंपनी अच्छी है तो डेफिनेटली लॉन्ग रन में आपको बहुत अच्छा रिटर्न दे सकती है. एंड यू हैव सीन स्टोरीज लाइक दैट. ओके, 10,000 के 1 करोड़ या कुछ तो हुए हैं, बहुत लोगों के हुए 15 साल में, 20 साल में, एंड what all and what not. You have seen it in the market. Okay, so the thing is that I'm not giving some kind of scheme over here. I'm telling you the facts that it is possible in the market कि 5,000 का आप लाखों में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो just by holding on to it as well. Okay, this was the first one, which was investing. Now second one, which is where I'm going to put more pressure on in this topic. Like I'm going to put more importance to this second topic, which is swing trading. ठीक है, swing trading में as a student you have some time, and if you're free enough, you can look at the markets, you can learn about, you can take this up as a skill and learn more about how does the financial market work, what are the patterns, what is a bull market, what is a bear market, and all of that you can learn it in these college year life as well. Okay, so swing trading में आपको थोड़ा सा लाइक मेहनत तो लगेगा. ठीक है, थोड़ी सी ऐसे नहीं क्या लर्निंग लगेगी, थोड़ी सी फिर आपको टेक्निकल एनालिसिस लगेंगे, फिर थोड़ा सा आपको फंडामेंटल भी लगेगा. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट आई विल टेल यू right after I cover the 3 main topics. Okay, so the second one is swing trading, जिधर आप होल्ड करते हो स्टॉक को for probably a month or more than a week. Okay, more than a week to a month or something. Okay, so that's swing trading where you get a good percentage, either it could be 5%, 6%, 10%, or 20% as well of any stocks. The third पे जो कि है trading. ट्रेडिंग इज डे टू डे, जो कि आप 9:30 को बाय करते हो एंड देन 3 o'clock को और 3:30 को आप सेटल कर देते हो, एंड दैट्स इट. यू टेक योर प्रॉफिट होम एंड दैट्स इट, यू आर डन फॉर द डे. ओके, what my main goal is to tell you more about swing trading in this. Okay, as per student life, swing trading can be very beneficial. Okay, your first 10 to 15k आप invest कर सकते हो इसमें. कैसे, मैं बताता हूँ. Okay, first of all, pick 2 to 3 stocks. Okay, 2 to 3 stocks, invest them wisely into those 3 or 2 stocks. Maximum 2 या 3 ही लेने हमें, क्योंकि हम अगर 4-5 के पास चले गए, then we won't have more capital to fund it as well. Okay, that's just one problem. And second is, many people like obviously you're supposed to believe in the percentage, but many people believe in the profits as well. That's not a good thing. I definitely don't support it, but if you want to believe in the part of investing, at least start with this kind of capital. क्योंकि देखो, when you choose 2 stocks, your risk is also pretty much minimized. Okay, if one stock is in profit, the second will be a bit negative, so उसमें cover हो सकता है. Okay, then the third thing which can help you is that जब भी आप stock select करते हो, आप वो momentum में select करते हो. So 80% of the time you have to select those stocks which are in a good momentum, which have given a good breakout. एंड वीकली में ऐसे स्टॉक्स मिलते हैं जो आपको 2 से 3 या more than 3% also they give you in a week, I'm saying. Okay, Now, if you're lucky enough to find, if your risk management capacity is good, you will get that 3% in just one stock as well. Okay, like you can probably put all your money in one basket at this point of time. Okay, and risk that, because आपका जो रिस्क मैनेजमेंट का जो बास्केट है वो कंपेरेटिवली लेस है व्हेन यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग देन व्हेन यू आर ट्रेडिंग. ओके, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट हैज टू बी फॉलोड इन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स एज वेल एंड एज वेल एज इन योर ट्रेडिंग. ओके, ट्रेडिंग में ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है बिकॉज यू हैव लार्ज मनी ऑन स्टेक, सो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल विथ हाउ मच यूर रिस्किंग एंड एवरीथिंग. इन्वेस्टिंग में कैसे, अगर एक दिन में 1% नीचे आया, दूसरे दिन प्रॉब्ली इट कैन गो 2% हायर. ओके, रिकवरिंग दैट. ओके, so keep that in mind. Now, of course, the plan is easily noted down. Ki per week, even if you find stocks, even if you find momentum, jidhar aap at least 3 to 2% or something you can get per week. Okay, per week I'm saying. So अगर कैलकुलेट किया जाए, आपको 12% एक महीने का मिल रहा है. ओके, एक महीने का मिल रहा है, विच इज़ अराउंड, इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग 10,000, आपको ऑलमोस्ट 1,000 या 1,200 के आसपास मिल ही जाएगा. ठीक है, सो बैठे बैठे आपको सिर्फ थोड़ा सा एनालाइज करना है, या फिर न्यूज़ देख सकते हो. न्यूज़ में कौन सा मोमेंटम आ रहा है, किधर ज़्यादा पावर आ रहा है. प्रॉबेबली टाटा मोटर्स पे कुछ ज़्यादा न्यूज़ आ रहे हैं कि लाइक यू नो दे हैव द सेल्स हैव गॉन अप, JLR का अच्छा जा चुका है, या फिर लंदन में उनके बिजनेस बहुत अच्छे हो चुके हैं. और यू कैन लुक एट टाटा पावर वेयर द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर इटसेल्फ आर सो कॉन्फिडेंट इन देयर ओन कंपनी. या फिर you can look at other stocks such as Reliance, which is giving so much confidence to the investors that they are saying that we're going to give a dividend on the 14th. So these are all the news you have to capture from the market. You have to understand from the market, and you'll have to learn from the market. This is little bit of hard work that you have to do to earn that 10 to 12 or 15% in the market. Okay, so on a yearly basis, even if you calculate that 10%, okay, on a consistent basis without compounding, it's actually turning out to be more, correct? So all you have to do is sit tight. Okay, just sit tight, analyze your stocks, and swing trade on those. Okay, this is the reason why I'm relating it to more students, is because they have other things also that they want to achieve. Okay, it's not only investing is a part of their life. You can't say that's just the main focus. It's a part of your life. You have to keep growing in that. You have your main goal is something else, but you have to keep having that side hustle, or probably you need to have those assets which are going to pay off some bills at least. Okay, which is going to make you happy. Okay, so this is it. This is the most simplest thing, and in the most simplest language that I explained it to you. And obviously, if you guys are watching the series of market analysis, or if you guys are watching the series of 5K to 50K on my channel, then you guys can definitely see various stocks which give momentum, such good momentums every week. Okay, which is why I want to insert some pressure on those people who really want to make that capital grow, who really want to risk some capital, but at the same time they want to learn more about investing, they want to learn more about trading, they want to learn more about the financial tools that we can use. And this is the reason why I made this video, so that you guys can take up this learning, you guys can analyze some stocks, you guys can put some money into the market, so that it will benefit you in the long run. Okay, and it's going to help you guys so much in the long run. You guys are going to be so grateful that you did this. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video thoroughly, and if you have taken notes, that's great, that's amazing, that's a good job. Okay, so always remember that all you need to find is some stocks. Okay, be it from Nifty 50, Nifty 100. मैं बोलता हूँ Nifty 50 में ही काम करो. Okay, I'm telling you, work on Nifty 50 itself. Maximum you want to go to Nifty 100. Whenever I'm analyzing stocks, I look at Nifty 100, or I go to mid cap. That's it. If I want to find a good multi-bagger for 6 months or some 3 months or something, ठीक है, तो इसलिए बोलता हूँ सिर्फ थोड़ा सा टाइम स्पेंड करना है, चाहे वो सैटरडे हो या संडे हो, it's up to you. So all you have to do is just spend little time for that little increase in your capital. Okay, so I hope this helped you guys, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and if you really like this video, hit that like button and give it to all your friends if it's really helpful for them as well. Okay, so see you on the winning side, guys, and have a great trading week. And whoever is new in the market, welcome to the stock market. Bye.